Welcome to this video on organizing quantitative data. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create a dot plot. So a dot plot simply graphs all of your data points on a number line. So remember, we're working with a set of data which we are imagining represent the ages of 10 different friends on Facebook. So let's go through and plot these points on the number line. We'll start with the first data point, which is 9. So I simply place a single dot over the tick mark on our number line that represents 9. Continuing this process, I'll have a dot for 12, and then I have a dot for 17, another one for 18, another one for 19, and another one for 20. Then we have 21, then we have 25, then we have two data points all the way down here at 49 and then 52. And that's how you make a dot plot.